You're walking out?
Wait, do your loudest one, Dave? This will determine it.
This is gonna be our next, this is gonna be part of the sequel.
That wasn't mine. I'm just getting extra gas out.
You taping it yet?
Yeah, I've been taping the whole time.
If Leah doesn't get this on the date, I will be mad.
Yeah, now you walk out to you lose.
You guys are funny. We're out of gas.